everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really quick explanation to a possible solution to your low energy levels or your fatigue. If you're one of those people that suffers from extremely low energy levels and you're really not sure why, like you get enough sleep, you drink enough water, you eat healthy, and maybe you even exercise, and you just can't figure out why you're always fatigued, you could have something called adrenal fatigue. Now, adrenal fatigue is just your body responding poorly to a lot of stress. Essentially, it gets tired from all of the stress, right? And all throughout my high school years and my early 20s, I really suffered from fatigue, and I didn't know what was wrong with me. I always thought I had cancer or some other weird disease, right? Because it's not normal. You're young. Like, why are you tired? Well, I learned about adrenal fatigue and the fact that it's not something that conventional doctors like to talk about because they can't get paid to write you a prescription for a wonder pill. But there is a quick, easy, affordable, over-the-counter solution called adaptogens. Now, if you haven't heard of adaptogens, all they are is extracts of herbs and a lot of mushrooms that help your body adapt to the way that it deals with stress. So while you're handling all this stress, if you are using adaptogens, the idea is that you don't get so tired and exhausted from all the stress, right? So how do you take these? There are supplements of different types of adaptogens, like Ashwagandha is a really big one, or Rhodiola, or Reishi mushrooms, or you can drink them, which is what I do, and I don't get paid to show you this. They can pay me if they want, but I don't. This is just a dried version of a mix of adaptogens called Rasa. And you can go to their website, it's wearerasa.com. But you will see, it's like dried herbs, right? Like tea. And you would put this in a French press, pour boiling water over it, cover it, and let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, plunge it, and drink it with creamer or whatever. It's a lot like coffee. It's called a coffee alternative, but you do not have to quit drinking coffee, so there's no need to panic. I drink both every day. And you're probably wondering like how it's different from coffee and why the energy that it gives you is different than what coffee does. And I wanted to show you that really quickly. I brought you guys closer. Hopefully you can see this okay. My cinematography sucks. But here's the difference between coffee and adaptogens and how each one helps you. So here's coffee, right? We're on this side. Your energy, this is energy rising, right? These are hours going by. Now, when you first drink coffee in the morning, it's likely that you get a spike of energy way up here, and then you stay there for a little bit, and then a few hours later, you crash, and you kind of stay there until you go to bed. And over here, adaptogens, same thing, energy levels going up, hours going by. You drink this, say, sometime in the morning, you don't get as much of a buzz as you would from the coffee. It's not as intense. But then you kind of just stay here off the floor for several hours, if not all day. It's really wonderful. And I've actually found that the combination of these two things is even better. But this, especially the adaptogens, that particular drink has totally changed my life and allowed me to function how I always imagined a normal person would function. So thank you guys for listening today. I really hope that this helps you. Be sure to keep yourself healthy, eat healthy, drink water, get enough sleep, and like and subscribe.